Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have read about the major landforms of the earth. In that part, we have discussed about the mountains, their types and their importance. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss about plateaus and their types and their importance too. What is a plateau? Plateaus are the uplifted sections of Earth's crust that are almost flat or level and usually descend steeply to the surrounding lowlands. A plateau is also sometimes referred to as a plain in the air or tableland. The plateau of Tibet in Asia, the East African plateau in Africa, and Colorado Plateau in North America are well known examples. In India, the Deccan Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau are good examples. Students, plateaus are of great economic value too. The South African plateau, for instance, yields gold, diamond, copper, manganese, and chromium, while the plateau in Western Australia is rich in gold and iron. Students, plateaus may be classified in the categories on the basis of their formation, appearance, and location. These categories are tectonic plateau, volcanic plateau, dissected plateau, intermontane plateau, and Piedmont plateau. Let us discuss all these types of plateaus in detail. First, tectonic plateau. A tectonic plateau is formed by the movement of Earth's crustal plates. Tectonic movement causes a huge portion of the Earth's surface to rise. The plateau of South Africa and the Turkish-Iranian plateau are examples of tectonic plateaus. Volcanic plateau. A volcanic plateau is a plateau formed by the spread of successive layers of lava on a particular region. When the lava cools, it solidifies and the successive sheets of lava finally form a raised tableland or a plateau over a period of time. The extensive Columbia Plateau, that is in the northwestern part of the USA, the northwestern part of the Deccan Plateau and the Malwa Plateau are examples of volcanic plateau. Now let us talk about the dissected plateau. Dissected plateaus have irregular surface marked by canines, gorges and steep narrow valleys formed by the process of erosion. They are mostly common in dry and desert regions. The Colorado Plateau, through which the Grand Canyon passes, the Brazilian Plateau are examples of dissected plateau. Intermontane plateau. These are surrounded by mountains and are the most common types of plateau. The most common example of an intermontane plateau is the Tibetan Plateau, which is enclosed by the Himalayan mountains to its south and the Kunlun Shan to its north. Last category of plateau is Piedmont Plateau. Piedmont Plateau is one that lies between a mountain and a plain or an ocean. Examples of Piedmont plateaus are the Patagonia Plateau in South America and the Piedmont Plateau of North America. Students, let us recap what we have discussed today in this video. 1. We have discussed that is what is a plateau. A plateau is an elevated flatland. It is a flat top tableland standing above the surrounding area. Then we have discussed about the types of plateaus. Tectonic plateau, volcanic plateau, dissected plateau, intermontane plateau and Piedmontane plateau. We have discussed all these categories of plateaus in detail. Tectonic plateau is formed by the movement of Earth's crustal plates. Volcanic plateau is formed by numerous small volcanic eruptions that slowly builds up over the time, forming a plateau from the resulting lava flows. Dissected plateau is formed as a result of upward movement in the Earth's crust caused by slow collision of tectonic plates. Intermontane plateau, the word intermontane means between the mountain. The plateaus which are bordering the fold mountains range or are partly or fully enclosed within them. Piedmont plateaus, also known as plateaus of denudation, as being formed due to various agents of erosion reducing the level of mountain. The word Piedmont means foot of a mountain. Students, I hope all of you have understood the topic clearly. Watch the video carefully. Any doubt, talk to me. Thank you so much, students. Have a very good day. Thank you.